We announce to you our new EC200D.
Volvo is introducing a new excavator to the lineup for the Asian region. The Volvo EC200D is designed for general construction work that includes building construction, road construction, and utility work.
As you can see from here, the EC210 covers a majority part of the segment. We also have the EC220D, which is even more efficient machine and segment specific. So we realized that there was actually a gap where we can probably do something to address the market. So we have decided that the EC200D will fit in nicely at the gap that we are missing now.
One of the main features for the EC200D is the low and fast cycle times and the ease of use for owners and operators. It's powered by the Volvo D5E Tier 3 diesel engine that produces 123 kilowatts or 165 horsepower at 2000 RPM.
Another model that has a main feature of productivity and efficiency using the shortest time possible. That's one cycle. That's two. Going back to original position, digging position, stop. Okay, that's one cycle. That's second. Stop.
Since the EC200D is designed for the Asian region, it's first going to be available in Indonesia, Malaysia, Singapore, Thailand, and the Philippines in early 2018.